How to change account name on Binance Wallet. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch Binance application on your phone. Here we go. Now tap on this icon at the top left corner. Okay, here we go. Now tap on your profile name here. Okay, now just beside your name, tap on this pencil icon right here. Okay, wait for a while. Now tap on nickname under profile and then just tap on edit beside the username you are given. Now over here, edit your nickname and choose your nickname of your own choice. After entering it, just tap on save here. Okay, now let's go back. Now you can see that your name has been edited. So that's all for today. If you found this video useful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.